How difficult it was for you to be very khuni?
I think having expectations.
Because some good roles have come my way, but the truth is that there are not many good roles and there are not many scripts, and there are not many good directors.
So I'm an emotional eater. So if I'm sad, butter chicken will make me happy. If I'm happy, I'll have butter chicken.
First of all, I'm not an actor. I became an actor by chance. I am a filmmaker. I studied filmmaking.
नहीं वैसे तो आप बैंकर एंड अकाउंटेंट लगते हैं मस्त.
Doing nothing is very important, yeah. It's very important because almost after every film I make, after every play I make, I take 5 days off and I go to Goa and I just walk and sleep.
जनता को कहूँगा कि आप लें दिल थाम और थोड़ा सा और सब्र तहम्मुल के साथ बहुत सारी तमाम मैं बातें भी करूँगा, लेकिन कमाल की बातें जब हो जाती हैं जब दो बाले इंसान दो बाले लोगों के साथ मौजूद होते हैं, क्योंकि तनाव दो की जो बात है वो मैं करने वाला हूँ. रजत जी एंड गौरव जी, वेलकमिंग यू टू फिल्मी मंत्रा. हाउ संस्कारी आई हैव बिकम. फर्स्टली कंग्रेचुलेशन, दिस इज द मिठाई का डब्बा व्हिच हैज नथिंग इन. आई विल गिव यू बिकॉज आप बहुत ही खूनी एंड आतंकवादी लग रहे हैं. तो आई एम अप्रिशिएटिंग यू विद द लुक्स एंड आई होप यू विल बी डूइंग जस्टिफिकेशन टू योर रोल एज वेल.
I hope so too.
है ना. तो मैं साथ साथ जानना चाहता हूँ हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट वाज फॉर यू टू बी वेरी खूनी.
So to be honest, मैं इसको रख देता हूँ यार.
हाँ.
If you don't
घर लेकर जाना.
Done.
इसमें गोलियाँ नहीं हैं जो
My takeaway from the day. Thank you. So effort ये था कि खूनी ना ही लगूं.
हाँ.
बिल्कुल भी उसे खूनी दरिंदा या टिपिकल एंटागनिस्ट या विलन की तरह ना एक्सप्लोर करें. Not just my effort. That was also that's exactly what the makers also wanted. See, violence can be never justified, but since we were doing this, I wanted to tap into the human story of Farid. So he also has a lot of pain. He has his own backstory. He's here on a mission, and once you see the show, I cannot talk much about it. So you will know what I mean here. And there are places where you feel bad for him. You might understand what he's going through. So that was the intent.
जी. रजत जी, जितनी भी बार भी मैं आपको स्क्रीन पर देखता हूँ, निगाहें जो हैं हटती नहीं है. इन्होंने तो घुमा ही ली तुरंत, है ना. एंड ऑडियंस डज दैट. ये हौसला जो है टू कीप ऑन डूइंग वंडरफुल वर्क दैट यू हैव बीन डूइंग, एंड हमेशा नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ या जो भी आप कुछ चूज़ करते हैं कि नहीं मुझे बेस्ट देना है, वो कौन सी दुकान से खरीदते हैं? मुझे भी खरीदना है, बहुत सारे लोगों को भी साथ साथ में खरीदना है.
बहुत ही बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है सर.
Yeah, I've been lucky, first of all, because some good roles have come my way, but the truth is that there are not many good roles and there are not many scripts, and there are not many good directors. So one does very little work, at least in my case. I don't do much work. Maybe 1 or 2 projects at the most in a year. Sometimes only 1. So it's okay to work less because I don't want to be also associated with things that I am not proud of, eventually. So I think it's about choosing your things well.
बिल्कुल. But the art of saying no comes with a lot of pressure, I guess, because people.
It's easy. It's easy. I just say straight no. It's not a problem. It's not hard. I mean, you're not, when you're saying no, you're not saying no, I don't like your face.
Yeah.
You're saying no, I don't think at this point of time this works for me.
But because when the art of saying no is something which I believe a lot of actors take a lot of time to learn that, and initially they say yes to a lot of projects and then they realize कि oh ये शायद गलत चूज कर लिया है. तो वो आपके साथ भी हुआ क्या?
नहीं, Adi, because you should know why you're doing what you're doing.
Of course.
I know. So first of all, I'm not an actor. I became an actor by chance. I am a filmmaker. I studied filmmaking. I wanted to make films. Accidentally, somebody asked me to act, and I did. And so that pressure was not on me that I have to prove anything or I have to make a career out of acting. So maybe that's why I could be a little more choosy and picky about things that are.
नहीं वैसे तो आप बैंकर एंड अकाउंटेंट लगते हैं मस्त. बैंकर एंड
ये पता नहीं कहाँ से यार बैंकर
आई डोंट आई जस्ट फील इट अभी मांगोगे आप 4 नंबर काउंटर पे जाइए इधर कुछ नहीं होगा अभी बोलेंगे ऐसा कुछ
आई डोंट नो इफ दैट्स अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट और नॉट बट आई विल प्रिटेंड इट्स अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट
No, it is. साथ साथ आई बिलीव बहुत मुश्किल होता है ना तनाव की जब भी बात की जाती है तो बिकॉज द शो नेम इज दैट आई वांट टू नो व्हाट इज योर जिंदगी का तनाव राइट नाउ और मे बी समथिंग दैट यू हैव फेस्ड previously.
Not very much actually. I don't live with it for very long. You know, like I said, I'm a filmmaker and making every film, not the making part, but the part that comes before and after, which is raising money for it, and trying to release the film. These are the two most stressful periods. Very often it has happened that somebody's promised you money, you start pre-production, you're very close to shooting, and then the producer disappears. That has happened, and then you're, what? You know, I just built a team around this. Yeah, there has been situations like that, but on the whole, it's been a great journey, and something that I'm very grateful for.
गौरव, जिंदगी का तनाव एक्सेप्ट कि हम रात को क्या खाने वाले हैं वो तो हमेशा डेली ही रहता है ना क्या बनेगा खाने में व्हाट टू राइट है ना टू आवर कुक्स दैट वी हैव गॉट एट होम
आई थिंक हैविंग एक्सपेक्टेशंस किसी से भी
so personal I love it we all are going through that of course guys right
I think the best thing is not to have expectations not to expect anything from anyone तो आप वो क्या है ना एक्सपेक्टेशन इज द बिगेस्ट कॉज ऑफ बिग हार्ट ब्रेक और समथिंग आई थिंक आई दैट आई रियली बिलीव इन मैं प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ इतना आसान है नहीं कहीं ना कहीं से ये तनाव को लेके कहीं ना कहीं तो एक्सपेक्टेशंस आ जाती है अंदर बट नहीं करना मुझे दैट आई थिंक कैन लीड टू अ लॉट ऑफ तनाव इन लाइफ या ये पेन ऐसी थोड़ी ना आता है
ऐसे थोड़ी ना खुखार दिख रहा हूँ इट कम्स फ्रॉम ऐसा होता है व्हेनेवर यू आर यू नो डूइंग एक्शन सीक्वेंसेस सो यू गेट समथिंग इन माइंड कि अच्छा चलो अभी मुझे स्ट्रेसफुल लगना है या मुझे खुखार दिखना है तो आप जिंदगी का कोई किस्सा याद कर लेते हैं दिखने के लिए
यार तो
अ लॉट ऑफ एक्टर्स डज दैट
नो वो खुखार दिखने की कोशिश ही नहीं की सबसे पहले तो
बट
अच्छी चीज़ ये थी हाँ इफ यू से सो बट अच्छी चीज़ ये थी कि इसमें जो एक्शन है ना वो लेयर्स ऑफ इमोशंस है उसमें ऑलरेडी वो सिर्फ वो मारने के लिए या टू मेक इट बिगर ऑन स्केल इज नॉट एक्शन ऐसा है ही नहीं सो इफ़ यू सी यू विल रियलाइज के बहुत लेयर्स ऑफ इमोशंस आर अटैच टू एवरी एक्शन दैट्स टेकन प्लेस हियर तो वो ऑलरेडी आ ही जाता है
इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग यू बोथ आर पंजाबी अरोड़ा एंड कपूर
No, we're not Punjabis.
What do you then eat like what's your
Hindi
happy go lucky food that you can have anything
food मैं कुछ भी I'm not a foodie also यार कुछ भी खा लेता हूँ दाल रोटी सब्जी no problem
मैं तो हूँ पंजाबी बटर चिकन
Butter
It's
chicken,
my
butter
most
naan.
favorite नहीं बटर नान बटर चिकन विद राइस आई एम नॉट अ रोटी ज़्यादा खाने वाला पर्सन सो आई एम एन इमोशनल ईटर सो इफ आई एम सैड बटर चिकन विल मेक मी हैप्पी इफ आई एम happy I'll have butter chicken it's like that
that is the staple thing
yeah
in any restaurant I go even I order that butter chicken with butter naan khatam kahani easy peasy day okay what was the challenging thing that you did for this role maybe something which you know realized कि okay this is something I pushed my limit for
I think the prep for the character was little challenging because थोड़ा सा sensitive हो सकता है कुछ लोगों के लिए and like I said to tap into the human aspect of it that was challenging to create a backstory I did see a lot of documentaries what this guy must have gone 1990s 80s में जो हुआ होगा उसके साथ तो वो थोड़ा challenging aspect था और थोड़ा बहुत जो action है action can be very challenging at times but सही था मज़ा बहुत आया
रजत जी जब भी आप फ्री होते हैं आपको जब भी छुट्टी मिलती है ना जब भी मौका मिलता है आप अपने आप को खुश करने के लिए या maybe you know finding yourself within you what do you do like do you listen to music आप फिल्में देखते हैं
I listen to music I read books I go to Goa at least 3 times a year
Goa
yeah and I walk on the beach and I swim and I do nothing 4-5 days
that is also important doing nothing is also
doing nothing is very important yeah it's very important because almost after every film I make after every play I make I take 5 days off and I go to Goa and I just walk and sleep.
Gaurav, you? What's your way of?
I actually do nothing.
Been on couch throughout the day.
Yes,
Texting
exactly.
people, getting words.
Do whatever you feel like उस दिन, one of those days. Just कुछ मत करो यार.
I guess that is also a way of releasing your tanav, no?
Absolutely. Yes. Yeah.
Because your body, you know, really needs to sleep and sleep it off and take it out of your system.
I think also your brain needs that.
Yeah,
No.
body and the brain.
Just chill.
गोवा से कश्मीर ले चलूँ मैं आपको. क्या क्या अच्छा लगा, क्या क्या?
मैं पहलगांव बहुत साल के बाद गया. मैं 40 years back I'd gone to Pahalgam as almost as a child.
Has it changed a bit or what?
No.
Oh, it's still.
I mean, it must have. I mean, there are more people for sure. But even then, there were tourists. It's not like. So Srinagar, I've been to many times in between, but Pahalgam I didn't go. So this time we went to Pahalgam, and then you made me climb up that mountain.
Yes.
Oh man!
That is amazing.
Yeah, three of them, young men.
We went
Come,
for a
come,
trek.
sir! It's just there, sir, just there. करके साला ऊपर जाते मैं.
But he was amazing, yeah. मतलब सबसे आगे चल रहे थे हम. से ऐसे ही बोल रहे हैं चल.
No. I was dying by the time we got up.
He's a banker, no? He eats अपना time पर खाना and all.
अरे
that
ये
I did.
सुबह उठ के वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं, शाम को भी जिम में दिख रहे हैं, एंड
When you can, yeah.
खुद को ही बोल दिया होगा. शर्म आनी चाहिए तुम्हें. What are you
सही
doing?
है,
Look
सर
at him.
देख रहा हूँ, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, सर आप तो बड़े छुपे रुस्तम निकले.
Gaurav, how does it feel like working with such great personality? Of course, you know, whenever you work on project जहाँ पे बहुत सारे मंजे हुए actors होते हैं, you pick up some of the traits, I believe.
सर अब इसका आंसर आप मेरी तरफ से खुद ही कर सकते हो. आपने इतनी बार सुन लिया.
No, because you know you pick up all the time from everybody else.
नहीं सर, जो मैं आंसर करूँगा वो
No.
करूँगा. जो आपने
But
सुना
it's
है
true.
सुबह
It's
से.
true because every time you're on a set with
Yeah.
many good actors, so there's always learning going on for everyone because you're
He's being
watching.
very humble right now. आपने मुझसे पूछा था तो I am like a huge fan of him. Like I've told him several times and
Several times today.
today as well. And the first time ever I met him, I was really looking forward to work with him. But the problem is that मेरा एक भी scene नहीं है इनके साथ.
आप
So that was a
कहाँ
disappointment.
होंगे आपके?
हाँ, but आएगा बहुत जल्दी कुछ ना कुछ.
अच्छा रोल करेंगे जब आपके साथ positive.
Manifest.
Do you feel that you know such roles may lead you in typecasting and
Not
stuff
at all.
like that?
See,
Or you
just-
love playing the
yeah, it's not
बंदूक
about
वाला लड़का?
What?
बंदूक वाला
नहीं,
लड़का।
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. इसके पहले तो मैंने चलाई नहीं है बंदूक कभी. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं यार. It's just good. I just
Yeah.
want to be associated with good projects, do play good characters, and I don't look beyond that. That's not in my control.
आप
स्क्रिप्ट्स को कब मना कर देते हैं सर? What is your like very turn off?
Either the script is bad, and most of them are bad. Most of them are bad. It's the truth. So they've already your choices get limited because
Yeah.
अगर 10 स्क्रिप्ट आपके पास आई हैं उसमें से शायद 2 ठीक ठाक है. 2 में से एक स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी है लेकिन उसमें आपको कुछ करने को ही नहीं है. 4 दिन का ही काम है. सर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल बट है क्या भाई, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? सर नहीं लेकिन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. अरे यार इंपॉर्टेंट तो ठीक है लेकिन कुछ तो एक सीन भी हो करने को. आई डोंट माइंड दैट बट एटलीस्ट समथिंग. सो देन यू रिजेक्ट दैट. इफ द स्क्रिप्ट इज नॉट बैड, योर कैरेक्टर इज नॉट बैड, देन आई वुड डू इट. बट बहुत होता नहीं है ऐसा, अनफॉर्चुनेटली.
Money was never a thing for you.
Money is not a thing. I've done many films with first-time filmmakers,
अरे वाह.
and I would always support such independent film projects and all that. But this thing that's coming soon after Tanav is called Khauf, which is a horror series in which I play a kind of a monster. I'm really excited about
You
it.
will be a good monster.
Really?
I'll be good.
I'm
I'm very
well,
excited. Yeah.
looking forward to it.
And what's your way of saying no? Like, what's something which turns you off about a script or a project that is coming your way?
See, of course, first the story has to be exciting enough for you. My thing is like, will I see this?
Yeah.
Will this be interesting enough for me to see it? That is first thing. And then also the people associated with it. I want to work with more creative minds. People who have their own way of storytelling. And just anything exciting, I don't have any fixed rules. It should just, you read it and you'll get to know. वो शुरू के 5-10 पेज में पता चल जाता है. It's not कि rocket science है कुछ.
Done. तनाव के साथ एक चीज़ जो साथ साथ चलती है वो है प्यार, इश्क, मोहब्बत, इजहार. तो हाउ डू यू डिफाइन लव? आई वांट टू नो दैट रजत जी. आप तो बड़े सीनियर हैं, बाल सफ़ेद, यू नो, आप तो बोल भी सकते हैं.
बाल तो मेरे सफ़ेद नहीं हुए, तेरे ज़्यादा सफ़ेद हैं.
मेरे तो बहुत हो गए. आई तो ऑलवेज से दैट. आई एम तो फेसिंग प्रॉब्लम्स विद दैट. तो हाउ डू यू डिफाइन लव, सर?
How do I define love? I think it's a process. It's not something, it might happen to you,
जी.
but the magic is in sustaining it, I think. And that's a everyday process. That's work that you have to do every day. It's not a one-off thing.
Gaurav, you agree? Or you have a different take on that?
Oh, how do I define love? Adi, what I feel, I
I've
think
never
everyone's...
received it.
Huh?
I've never received it. What?
No, I have. I've been lucky enough. I feel everyone's love, definition of love is how you've experienced it. I think love is absence of judgment.
Is?
Absence of judgment.
Oh, nice.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah, maybe.
ठीक है. I want your message, of course, because people are excited for Tanav, and I guess while watching this Tanav, they will be releasing their Tanav as well, क्योंकि ये तो release हो ही रहा है. So your message to people, they are dying. I am dying for sure. I know.
Don't die, please don't die.
Because you have to watch it.
Don't die. Tanav 2 is coming on Sony Live on 6th of September. And there, after that, please watch it. It's there every day, 6 episodes on 6th of September. Sony Live, Tanav 2.
अब ताली बजा दो. सर ने जॉब
सब कुछ ही बोल दिया. Don't die, don't die. A lot of people are dying in the show anyway. You don't die. Audience नहीं मरना चाहिए.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Adi.
Talking to you, sir.
Pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Thank you.